Each morning is a new beginning. Before the noise of the world enters the mind, before worry settles into the body, there is a quiet moment when healing can begin. Many people search for complicated answers to restore their strength, but often the body responds best to simple things prepared with care. Among the oldest natural wellness traditions, there is a gentle morning drink made with 4 powerful spices, blended not only to awaken the body, but to restore balance from within. The body speaks in whispers before it cries in pain. Fatigue, heaviness, poor digestion, restless sleep, and a cloudy mind are often signs that the inner system has lost harmony. What many do not realize is that the kitchen can hold remedies more powerful than expected. 4 humble spices, when combined in warm water, can create a drink that supports cleansing, circulation, and renewal. This practice is not about chasing quick results. It is about creating a daily ritual that slowly teaches the body how to heal itself. The first spice is turmeric. Golden and earthy, it has long been valued for its warming nature. Turmeric supports the body by calming internal irritation and helping the joints feel lighter. Many people carry silent inflammation for years without noticing it, and this can drain energy little by little. Beginning the morning with turmeric is like offering the body a soft light that reaches the places where discomfort hides. The second spice is cinnamon. Sweet in fragrance yet powerful in action, cinnamon helps support healthy blood sugar and improve circulation. When blood moves freely, the body feels warmer, the mind feels clearer, and energy becomes more stable. Instead of sharp rises and crashes through the day, cinnamon encourages steadiness. It reminds us that health is not found in extremes, but in gentle consistency. The third spice is ginger. Sharp, warming, and alive, ginger helps awaken digestion. Many health problems begin in a tired digestive system. When food is not processed well, the body becomes sluggish and the mind follows. Ginger helps the stomach become stronger and can reduce bloating while encouraging the body to absorb nourishment more effectively. It brings movement where there has been stagnation. The fourth spice is black pepper. Though small, it carries an important purpose. Black pepper helps the body absorb the benefits of the other spices more deeply. It also supports metabolism and helps clear internal heaviness. Sometimes the smallest ingredient can make the greatest difference. This reminds us that even small daily actions can transform a life over time. To prepare this morning drink, warm 1 cup of water until it is comfortable to sip. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a few thin slices of fresh ginger or a small pinch of ground ginger, and a tiny pinch of black pepper. Stir slowly. Let the spices rest in the water for a minute, then drink it in silence before eating. Do not rush. Allow the body to receive it. What makes this drink powerful is not only the spices but the awareness brought to the moment. If consumed while the mind is distracted, its effect feels smaller. But when taken with gratitude, the body responds differently. Healing often begins when the mind becomes calm enough to support the body instead of fighting against it. Some may notice lighter digestion within days. Others may feel clearer thinking, less stiffness, or more natural energy. The body heals in its own time. It does not follow impatience. It responds to patience, repetition, and kindness. A single cup may seem small, but small rituals repeated daily can become powerful medicine. Many people wait until illness forces them to change. But wisdom teaches that true care begins before suffering grows. A simple drink each morning can become a way of listening to the body before it begins to cry for help. The path to healing is often quieter than people expect. It does not always arrive in a bottle or a complicated treatment. Sometimes it begins in warm water, 4 spices, and a peaceful morning. Morning healing ritual starting the day with a warm 4-spice drink can help the body restore balance before stress and distractions begin. Each morning offers a quiet opportunity to begin again. Before the demands of the day appear, before the mind becomes crowded with thoughts, there is a small space where the body can be supported in a gentle and natural way. Many people wake up and immediately rush into movement, responsibilities, and noise without giving themselves even a few moments of care. Over time, this constant habit of rushing can create imbalance not only in the mind but also deep within the body. A simple morning healing ritual can become a powerful way to return to balance. And one of the easiest ways to begin is with a warm drink prepared with intention. The first moments after waking are important because the body is more receptive during that time. After a night of rest, the system is slowly awakening. Digestion is beginning to activate, circulation is increasing, and the mind is moving from stillness into awareness. What is placed into the body during these early moments can influence the entire day. When the morning begins with caffeine, sugar, or stress, the body may feel stimulated for a short time, but later it often feels tired and depleted. When the morning begins with warmth, nourishment, and mindfulness, the body responds in a completely different way. A warm healing drink in the morning does more than simply provide comfort. Warm water itself helps awaken the digestive system and supports the body's natural cleansing process. During sleep, the body works to repair itself, and when morning comes, it needs support in releasing what is no longer needed. Warm liquid can gently encourage this process. When natural spices are added, the effect can become even more meaningful. The body begins to feel supported instead of burdened. This is why a simple cup can become much more than a drink. It becomes a form of daily care. The ritual itself matters just as much as the ingredients. The way something is prepared can influence the way it is received. When the drink is made slowly, stirred with attention, and consumed in silence, it creates a moment of connection between body and mind. Most people consume food and drink while distracted, looking at screens, thinking about problems, or rushing to the next task. In those moments, the body may receive nourishment, but the deeper experience of healing is often missed. When a person pauses and drinks with awareness, the body can respond more fully. This kind of ritual also teaches patience. Many people want healing to happen instantly, but the body rarely works that way. The body heals through consistency. One peaceful act repeated every morning can become more powerful than occasional intense efforts. Over days and weeks, the body begins to recognize the rhythm of care. Digestion may improve, energy may become steadier, the mind may feel calmer. These changes often happen quietly, almost unnoticed at first, but they can become significant over time. A morning healing ritual is not only about physical wellness. It is also a message sent inward. It says that the body deserves kindness. It says that health deserves attention before illness appears. It says that each day can begin with intention rather than chaos. In a world where people often neglect themselves until discomfort forces change, choosing a few mindful minutes each morning can become an act of wisdom. Sometimes the smallest rituals create the deepest transformation because true healing often begins in silence long before it is visible. Turmeric reduces internal inflammation, calming hidden inflammation, easing joint discomfort, and improving overall wellness. Cinnamon carries a gentle sweetness, but beneath that comforting aroma is a remarkable ability to support the body in quiet ways. Many people think of cinnamon only as a flavor added to food, something pleasant but ordinary. Yet for generations it has been valued as a warming spice that can help restore balance inside the body. One of its most appreciated qualities is the way it can help create steadier energy throughout the day. While many people search for stronger stimulants to feel awake, cinnamon offers a softer path, helping the body find its own natural rhythm instead of forcing it into temporary alertness. Energy often rises and falls because the body struggles to manage blood sugar. When the body receives too much sugar or processed food, energy can rise quickly and then drop just as fast. This can create fatigue, irritability, cravings, and mental fog. Many people do not realize that their tiredness is not always from lack of sleep. Sometimes it comes from inner imbalance that develops quietly over time. Cinnamon has been respected because it may help the body handle sugar more effectively, supporting a more stable response after eating. Instead of sharp highs and sudden crashes, the body may begin to feel more even and calm. This steadiness affects more than physical strength. The mind is deeply connected to the body's internal balance. When blood sugar changes rapidly, thoughts can become restless and concentration can weaken. A person may feel anxious without understanding why. They may feel exhausted in the middle of the day, even after resting well. By supporting a more balanced internal state, cinnamon can help create a sense of calm clarity. The body no longer feels like it is being pulled in different directions. The mind often follows that same peaceful rhythm. Cinnamon is also known for its warming nature. Some people move through their day feeling cold, sluggish, or heavy, especially in the morning. Poor circulation can contribute to that feeling. When blood does not move efficiently, the body can feel slow and the mind can feel dull. Cinnamon encourages warmth from within. That warmth can help support circulation, allowing the body to feel more awake in a natural way. Rather than the sudden stimulation of strong coffee or sugary drinks, cinnamon gently invites the body to awaken on its own. Another important part of cinnamon is its ability to support digestion. Digestion is not only about breaking down food, it is also about transforming nourishment into usable energy. When digestion is weak, even healthy meals may not provide the vitality the body needs. Cinnamon can help stimulate digestive warmth, making it easier for the body to process food and absorb nutrients. Better digestion often leads to more stable strength, fewer cravings, and a lighter feeling after meals. The true value of cinnamon is found in its consistency. One cup with cinnamon may feel pleasant, but the deeper benefits often appear when it becomes part of a daily practice. Small actions repeated over time can create changes that feel larger than expected. A pinch of cinnamon in a morning drink may seem simple, yet simplicity often carries hidden wisdom. The body does not always need dramatic solutions. Sometimes it responds best to gentle support offered each day with patience. Cinnamon reminds us that healing does not always arrive through powerful medicine or sudden change. Sometimes healing comes through warmth, balance, and the quiet strength of nature. A small spice can become a daily companion that helps the body remember how to move through the day with greater harmony, steadier energy, and a calmer mind. Cinnamon stabilizes energy. Cinnamon helps support healthy blood sugar and circulation, giving the body more steady energy throughout the day. Ginger has been treasured for centuries as one of nature's most warming and awakening roots. Its sharp aroma and gentle heat are more than a flavor. They carry a unique ability to help the body come out of stagnation. Many people move through life with a digestive system that has become slow without realizing it. They feel bloated after meals, tired during the day, and heavy in both body and mind. Often they believe this is simply a normal part of getting older or living a busy life. Yet in many cases the body is quietly asking for support, and ginger has long been valued as a simple way to answer that need. Digestion is one of the most important foundations of wellness. Every part of the body depends on how food is transformed into nourishment. Even the healthiest meal cannot fully help the body if digestion is weak. When the stomach becomes sluggish, food can sit too long, creating discomfort and heaviness. This can lead to bloating, gas, sluggish energy, and a foggy mind. The body may still receive food, but it does not always receive the full nourishment hidden inside it. Ginger works by gently stimulating the digestive fire, helping the body process food more efficiently and naturally. When ginger enters the body, it creates warmth. This warmth is important because many digestive problems begin when the system becomes cold and slow. A cold digestive system may struggle to break down food properly, leaving a person feeling tired even after eating. Ginger encourages movement where there has been stillness. It can help the stomach feel more active, allowing food to move through the body with greater ease. This simple support can make a person feel lighter, clearer, and more comfortable throughout the day. Ginger is also known for helping reduce bloating. Many people carry discomfort in the stomach that affects their entire mood. A swollen or uncomfortable stomach can create irritation, tiredness, and even anxiety. The body and mind are closely connected, and digestive discomfort often influences emotional balance. When ginger helps calm the stomach and release trapped heaviness, the mind often feels calmer as well. Sometimes emotional peace begins with physical comfort. Another valuable gift of ginger is its ability to help the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Digestion is not only about breaking food apart, it is also about allowing the body to receive what it needs. If nutrients pass through without being properly absorbed, weakness can slowly develop. A person may eat enough food yet still feel depleted. Ginger helps strengthen the digestive process so the body can make better use of what it receives. This can lead to more natural energy, better immunity, and a stronger sense of balance over time. Many people notice that ginger can also reduce nausea and settle an uneasy stomach. This is one reason it has remained trusted across generations. Whether the discomfort comes from overeating, stress, travel, or general digestive weakness, ginger often brings a soothing effect while still encouraging healthy movement. It does not simply silence symptoms. It supports the body's own natural intelligence. The beauty of ginger is in its simplicity. A few slices in warm water can become a powerful daily ritual. It does not need to be complicated to be effective. Small acts of care often create lasting change when practiced consistently. Ginger reminds us that the body often responds best to warmth, patience, and gentle support rather than force. In a world where many people ignore their digestion until pain becomes impossible to overlook, ginger offers a quieter path. It teaches that healing can begin with one root, one cup, and one mindful moment each morning. Sometimes the path back to balance begins in the stomach, and from there the whole body slowly follows. Ginger improves digestion. Ginger awakens the digestive system, reduces bloating, and helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Black pepper is often seen as the smallest ingredient in a healing drink, and because of that many people overlook its importance. It sits quietly beside larger spices with stronger colors and more familiar reputations, yet its role can be deeply powerful. In many traditional wellness practices, black pepper is not added simply for taste. It is included because it helps the body receive more from everything around it. Sometimes the smallest element in a ritual becomes the one that unlocks the full benefit of the whole experience. Black pepper carries that quiet kind of strength. The body does not always absorb everything it is given. A person may eat nourishing foods, drink herbal remedies, or take natural supplements, yet the body may still fail to fully receive their value. This can happen because some healing compounds pass through the digestive system too quickly or are not easily recognized by the body. Black pepper contains a natural compound that helps increase the absorption of certain nutrients and plant compounds. This means that when it is paired with other spices, the body can often use those spices more effectively. Instead of simply passing through, their benefits can reach deeper into the system. This is why black pepper is often paired with turmeric. Turmeric is known for its powerful healing properties, but without support, the body may absorb only a small amount of what turmeric offers. A tiny pinch of black pepper can help the body open itself more fully to turmeric's natural compounds. This relationship teaches an important lesson about balance. Some things become stronger not on their own but through partnership. In the same way, the body often responds best when ingredients work together rather than separately. Black pepper also has its own warming qualities. It stimulates circulation and encourages movement inside the body. Many people experience a sense of internal heaviness that they cannot easily explain. They feel slow in the morning, dull in the afternoon, and tired even after rest. Sometimes this feeling comes from poor circulation or sluggish metabolism. Black pepper gently encourages the body to move stagnant energy. It creates subtle warmth that can help the system feel more awake without harsh stimulation. This warmth can be especially supportive in the morning when the body is still transitioning from sleep into activity. Another reason black pepper is respected is because it can support healthy digestion. The digestive system depends on movement, warmth, and proper enzyme activity to break down food. When digestion slows, nutrients are not fully absorbed and waste can remain longer than it should. Black pepper helps stimulate digestive juices, making it easier for the body to process what it receives. This can reduce feelings of heaviness after meals and improve the body's ability to turn food into energy. Sometimes people seek more energy without realizing that better digestion can be the answer. Black pepper also reminds us that healing does not always come from what is most visible. In life, people often look for the largest change, the strongest remedy, or the most dramatic solution. Yet many times, transformation begins with something subtle. A small daily choice can create a larger shift than expected. A pinch of black pepper may seem insignificant, but when added with purpose, it can change the effect of the entire drink. There is wisdom in that simplicity. Black pepper teaches that even what seems small can carry great purpose. It teaches that healing is often found in harmony, where each ingredient supports the others. It teaches that strength does not always need to be loud to be meaningful. In a warm morning cup, black pepper becomes more than a spice. It becomes a quiet reminder that sometimes the smallest things can open the door to deeper healing. Black pepper enhances absorption. Black pepper helps the body absorb the healing compounds from the other spices, making the drink more effective. Black pepper may appear to be the simplest part of a morning wellness drink, but its value is far greater than most people imagine. Because it is common and familiar, many people see it only as a seasoning placed on food for flavor. Yet in traditional healing practices, black pepper has been respected not for its sharp taste alone, but for its unique ability to help the body receive the full benefit of other natural ingredients. It teaches an important lesson that true strength is not always found in what stands out the most. Sometimes the smallest presence can quietly make everything else more effective. One of the most remarkable qualities of black pepper is its ability to improve absorption. The body does not automatically take in everything it is given. A person can consume herbs, spices, and healthy foods, but if the digestive system cannot properly absorb them, much of their value may be lost. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which can help the body absorb important nutrients more efficiently. This means that when black pepper is combined with healing spices, the body may receive deeper support than it would from those ingredients alone. This is especially important when black pepper is paired with turmeric. Turmeric is known for its golden color and its powerful support for inflammation and joint comfort. However, without black pepper, the body may struggle to fully use turmeric's beneficial compounds. A tiny pinch of black pepper can help increase the body's ability to absorb turmeric many times over. This simple combination transforms an ordinary drink into something much more meaningful. It reminds us that harmony between ingredients can create stronger healing than any single ingredient by itself. Black pepper also supports the digestive system in its own way. Digestion depends on warmth and movement. When the digestive system becomes sluggish, the body can feel heavy, tired, and uncomfortable. Food may sit too long, leading to bloating or a sense of dullness that lasts throughout the day. Black pepper gently stimulates digestive fire, helping the stomach prepare for food and improving the breakdown of nutrients. When digestion works better, the body often feels lighter and more energized without needing artificial stimulation. Its warming nature can also support circulation. Some people wake each day feeling cold, slow, or mentally foggy. This can happen when blood flow is not moving as efficiently as it should. Black pepper encourages internal warmth, helping circulation improve naturally. Better circulation can help oxygen and nutrients move through the body more freely, supporting clearer thinking and steadier energy. The effect may feel subtle at first, but small daily changes often become powerful over time. There is also a deeper lesson hidden in black pepper's role. Many people believe healing must come from something dramatic or expensive. They search for complicated answers while ignoring the simple things already within reach. Black pepper shows that healing can come from what seems ordinary. A small pinch added each morning may seem insignificant, yet over time it can help the body receive more from every other part of the ritual. The beauty of black pepper lies in its quiet purpose. It does not demand attention. It simply helps everything else work better. In that way, it mirrors a deeper truth about healing itself. Sometimes the body does not need more. Sometimes it only needs help using what it already has. And sometimes a tiny spice added with awareness can become a powerful part of a daily path toward balance and well-being.